Don't be like me.
Tanan mamong napagabot ka namang banwa. Okay, that's how we say good morning everyone.
Good morning, mabuhay.
Okay, so that's one of the local dialect that we use here in Palawan. Okay, so we call it Kuyuno, but mostly we speak Filipino. That's the official dialect for Tagalog. No, Filipino, sir. But the local dialect is Kuyuno. It's not Bisaya. It's a local dialect. It's Kuyuno. Okay. So anyway, Sir, what do you name?
Flo.
Sir Flor.
Flo, yeah.
Yeah, and
Erica. Yeah, Erica.
Nice to meet you, sir. My name is Alex. Okay, and then we have Sir Leo and Jason. You're from Germany, US, Colombia, Italy. Wow. And then of course, Sir
Hila.
from Sweden, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then Sir
Andy.
and
Gloria from Philippines.
okay, nice to meet you and welcome to Palawan. Okay.
Yes.
Colombia.
Hila.
Italy. Buongiorno. Okay. Yeah. Buenos dias. Yeah. Colombia. Buenos dias. Yeah. Germany. Guten Morgen. Yeah. Of course, you say morning. So yeah. We have at least 20 minutes drive, 20 to 30 minutes drive before we going to stop. Okay. And I'm gonna give you a short information about the place, what to do, what to expect later. Okay. So this underground river is one of the longest underground river in the world, featuring around 21 kilometers stretch. But the navigable portion is only 8 kilometers. Okay. But your actual tour is only up to 1.5 kilometers. We're not going to the whole 8.2 kilometers. If we're going to do that, today is Monday, I'll pick you up on Sunday. So it's very long, it's very hard to do it. But the journey, the 1.5 kilometer, this is the best of the best. Okay, so the stalactites, the stalagmite formation is so amazing. Okay, you can take video, you can take pictures. It's allowed. You can set your camera with the flash. Okay, so we're gonna ride twice boat. The first one is the paddle boat, the motorized boat and the paddle boat. Okay, so maximum of 7 to 8 people. So later on the motorized boat, we are in one group. Okay, then the other one is in another group. Okay, so it's only, we're going to ride at least 15 to 20 minutes motorized boat going to the national park. Okay, and then from there we're gonna walk at least 50 to 108 meters going to the lagoon, and then right there we're going to ride a paddle boat. So the maximum is at least 10 people, so but you're in one group also. Okay, so we'll take you at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. That's your actual tour, and then we will provide you your audio guide. Okay, so that's will give you the rest of the information inside. Okay, you can set it into German, yeah, it's okay, or English, it's okay. You can set it into Spanish or something, or Italian also, Swedish, I don't know.
Maybe.
Swedish, only massage. Just kidding, sir. Okay. And ma'am, sir, later on, I need your cooperation and your patience. Because we're not the only one going there. There's also other group. So, there's a queue or queuing when we arrive to the place. So, I'm just gonna give you how many minutes or hours we're going to wait. But, if we will wait for a long time, like 1 hour or something, we'll also offer some other stuff or some other activities that you can do while waiting. Okay, so that activities will be part of the, we call it CBST, stands for Community Sustainable Tourism. So we provide alternative livelihood program to the local community. So the tour there, that's the optional tour. Okay, it's not part of your package, but if you want to try it, you can do it. Actually, it's very cheap because we're going directly. It's a walk-in customer, so it takes you the whole thing compared to if you book in the travel agency, it costs you like 1,500 pesos. But if you're walking at least 50%, you just pay for like 350 or at least 650. So the tour with there is maybe like the Ugong Rock with the zip line, it's a spelunking, and then also the mango paddle tour, or the other one is the longest zip line. So that's the optional. Okay, so maybe I will ask you later if you want to try it. after the tour, we'll go back to the place. We'll having our lunch. Okay, so lunch is provided in also this tour. It's a buffet lunch somewhere in Sabang. Okay. So, but this time, sir, ma'am, we only serve Filipino food. Okay.
Very good. This is good.
Yeah, we only serve Filipino food because so that you can try also our local dishes here in the Philippines. Okay, of course you must try adobo. Have you tried adobo? Or we have kare-kare, and then of course we have some seafoods also, some grilled fish, or sometimes spring rolls. Try the spring rolls. Lumpia, yeah, lumpia. We have fish lumpia, or we have fish lumpia right there. We have pancit, the noodles. Okay. And then we have a lot of fresh fruits. We have pineapples, watermelons, bananas, and then of course some local dessert. Yeah, like puto, cochinta. You can try there. Durian. We don't have durian. Durian is very expensive right now. Yeah. We have expensive here. Because we don't have much of durian plantation in Palawan. A few, just a few farm here. But the biggest so far is in Davao. So that's the cheapest. Oh, of course, sir. We have a stopover I mentioned a while ago. That's in the west coast of Palawan, facing the West Philippine Sea. It's a overlooking view, so we're gonna stop there so that you can stretch for a moment. Okay, and then you can go to the restaurant. It's like a pit stop. Okay, and then of course you can try the fresh coconut juice. Yeah, I think it's like 40 pesos or 50 pesos, something like that. It's like cost $1. Okay, and then of course they have some coffee right there. They have brewed or instant coffee. You can try also some. Yeah, and stop there for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, before we proceed to Sabang. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay. And then if you need some pictures or photo that like your group or your, just let me know so I can take also your pictures. I'm your official photographer of the day as well. Just let me know. So thank you so much, and thank you for having us here in Palawan. Thank you for visiting us here. If you haven't seen here, matamang salamat po for